Well, welcome back. I hope you missed me. I missed you a lot. In today's video, I cover 3 of the most important things that you need to set in place before moving abroad. If you're new, my name is Natalija and I moved to Thailand over 5 months ago. So to save you time, frustration, energy, and money, I documented my whole journey. So if this is something that you're interested in, then I suggest you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any episodes. Also, if you stay right till the end of this episode, I've got the bonus point. And for sure, you're gonna love it because I'm gonna save you at least £500. Number 1, get international license. So if you already have, I don't know, Australian license, UK license, USA license, get yourself, before you move abroad, international license. Okay, well, wish me luck for driving at this condition. I'll tell you why. If you don't have international license here in Thailand, you will get fined. Fines are around 11 to 20 pound, and I do actually have an episode on my channel already how to reduce the fines if you do get stopped, so I'll share the video link on screen, so help yourself. I hope it's useful. But joke aside, get the international license. In UK it will cost you £5. Go to post office, job done. Right, number 2, get Amazon Fire Stick so you can download the channels that you're gonna miss. I've stayed in a number of hotels here. I've moved a lot of accommodation, and I swear to you, like in where I live now, my apartment. Good morning. Just getting my grab. There's no English channels, only in Thai, not even Russian channels. I'm like, how am I supposed to watch the TV? So if you haven't left your home country yet, order Fire Stick, download all the, the programs that you like, because there's 2 things I miss about UK: tap water and TV. And number 3, the most important thing, VPN. And do you guys know what VPN is? Because you're probably gonna laugh and you think I'm this YouTuber and I know everything. I only bought a laptop about a year ago. So VPN is virtual private network. So basically, it will protect you from all the hacks. I'm sure you will be using a lot of public Wi-Fi.
No, you don't need to plug in. Are you happy with your logo?
Boom. Drop the mic. Done by Natalija and Katie collaboration. Like, I'm constantly on my laptop answering emails. There are a lot of digital nomads here, guys, and you never know who you sat next to. So if you want to protect your data, protect your network, anything that you store on your laptop, you would need VPN. Also, if you want to trick your computer in terms of your location, your IP address, then that's another thing that you can do. Because the other day I was trying to purchase something, everything was coming up in Thai baht. I'm like, no, I want to use my UK credit card. Are we saying this one? Yeah, okay. Just spent about an hour trying to choose a hairpiece. I'm not going to go into too much details about the VPN, but I use Nord VPN. I've created a video for people like myself who hasn't got a clue what VPN is. I will share the link on screen, so please have a look after this video, and by using my link you will get a discount. How good is that? Also, I will have a little commission from their side too. So I think it's a kind of a win-win situation. And now the bonus point that you've been waiting for. Do not buy any electronics in your own country, like Apple computers, iPhones. Here, at least you will save 30%. Just make sure you set up those 3 things, move to Thailand and get everything here. How good is that? If you like this episode, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, I have another super useful video about moving abroad. And if you're seriously thinking about relocating, I talk about 5 main challenges of relocating abroad. If you are serious about moving abroad and relocating to Thailand, then I suggest you watch that episode. But that's it for today. Don't miss me too much, and I will see you in a couple of days.